Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore MLS submission process with ShowingTime, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore the MLS submission process with ShowingTime, begin by logging into your ShowingTime account. Navigate to the settings section in your dashboard. Click on MLS integration to access your submission settings. Ensure that your MLS ID is correctly entered in the provided field. If your MLS ID is missing or incorrect, update it and save your changes. Next, check if your account is properly linked to your MLS provider. If not, locate the integration instructions specific to your MLS. Follow those instructions carefully to complete the linkage process. Once your account is linked, return to the MLS integrations section. Confirm that your MLS listings are syncing correctly with ShowingTime. To do this, look for the sync status indicator. If the sync status shows any errors, follow the prompts to troubleshoot. After confirming synchronization, head over to Listings in your dashboard. Select the listing you wish to restore for submission. Review all details and ensure that information is accurate and up to date. When ready, click on the Submit button for MLS listing. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the submission. After submission, monitor the status in the Submissions tab. If any issues arise, reach out to ShowingTime support for further assistance. This process will help ensure your MLS submissions are functioning smoothly again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.